Wordmark logos are a powerful and often overlooked solution for many brands. Some of the biggest, most successful brands in the world have skillfully used them. They can be extremely effective, combining the meaning behind their name with the tone and personality crafted in their design. It could be easy to think that with less elements to design, Wordmark logos are easier. But actually, I think this presents more of a challenge for designers, because all of the attention goes to just a few key details, which then have to be absolutely perfect. So how can you craft the correct tone in a Wordmark logo? How can you ensure your Wordmark is unique and memorable without breaking design rules? And how can you create a simple but effective submark to give your brand that bit more versatility for certain situations? I'll show you exactly how to do each of those things in this class. Hi, my name is Jason Miller. I'm a freelance graphic designer based in London. Although I'm London-based, I've had the privilege of working for clients all across the globe. I specialise in brand identity design, and I've been doing this successfully as a freelancer for over 12 years now. 5 of those years with no need for any agency work, clients that have been all my own. This class is ideal for designers of really any skill level because we'll look at principles that can be applied at different stages in your career. I'll be taking you through my full design process using Adobe Illustrator CC, although you can follow along in the software of your choice. We'll assume you already have a good idea of the design brief, the tone and the messaging that's needed to reach your target audience. Firstly, we need to explore options, and we'll do that using existing fonts from various foundries as a starting point. Fonts each have a certain tone and personality, and so there's a skill involved with picking something that really fits. Then, once we've shortlisted our starting fonts, I'll show you a range of different techniques you can use to manipulate and customize these further. If you're doing this for the first time, please be sure to create your own version of a Wordmark logo as you follow along. So I'm ready for this. When you're ready, let's get started.